Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. In this part 2 second video, I will show you how to finish this 2 rows, the sleeves and the neck portion. Now this is the body, neck and the 2 sleeves. The finishing point will be in the next shell from the button. See here, from this button it will be in the next shell. Join with the slip stitch as usual and bring to the center of the next shell with few more slip stitches. From the center space, put 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and join in the 4th chain to form a picot like this. Again a double crochet, and then 3 chains, and then join here to form a picot. See how I join? Like this we make 4 double crochet with picots on top. This is the decorative stitch which we usually put on crochet borders. So after finishing 4 double crochet with 4 picots like this, finally one more double crochet in the same space. This is a shell with picots. Now put 3 chains and join in the space in between with the slip stitch, and again 3 chains, again a shell with picots. I will show you again. See clearly how I do this. A double crochet, then 3 chains, join at this point to make a picot, again a double crochet in the same space, again 3 chains and make a picot, join here, and again a double crochet, make another picot, and finally one more double crochet to complete the shell with picot. This is a decorative stitch which we usually put on borders in crochet patterns. I will complete the full round in the same method and come back to you. That is shells with picots. Now I have completed the round. Join just below the first picot in the chain here. Now insert the hook in front of the first double crochet like this and make a single crochet. Now put 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, again plus 2 chains, 1, 2, and now leave 1 double crochet, and in the next double crochet in front insert the hook, put a double crochet and again 2 chains, 1, 2, and again another double crochet in the same place, that is in the middle like this in front, and put a double crochet. Now you will get a triangle shape like this. Again 1, 2 chains and again leave 1, and in the last double crochet insert the hook in front and put a double crochet. This is the series for this round. See here, on both the sides there will be 2 lines and in the center there will be a triangle. Again 1, 2 and 3 chains and a double crochet in the first double crochet in front, put a double crochet. We'll repeat the same stitches again. I'll show you 2 chains and in the middle space in front we put a double crochet, 2 chains and again a double crochet in the same place to make a triangle. See clearly once again, 2 chains and a double crochet in front in the last double crochet. So you will get the same pattern, lines on both the sides and a triangle in the middle. We will repeat this and complete this round and I will come back to you. And now I have finished the round completely. Let us join with a slip stitch here in the 3rd chain. Now we should come to the middle of this space. So to make it easier, let us turn the side and put 2 slip stitches and come to the middle and again turn the side, put 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now we'll be putting shells with peacocks like the previous stitch in each triangle. Insert inside this triangle, put a double crochet, then 3 chains to make a peacock. As usual, how we did in the previous round, that is 4 double crochet with peacocks on top and finally 1 double crochet to form a shell as usual. So 2 rounds of decorative peacock shells we make in this dress. If you wish, you can increase the rows. Here I am putting 2 rows with picots. See, I have finished one shell with picot. Again 3 chains and join in the middle space with a slip stitch, and again 3 chains, and we will repeat this shell with picot in the triangular space, and repeat this throughout this round. I'll finish this round and come back to you. See, now I have made another shell with picots. Now I have finished the round completely. Join with a slip stitch at the starting point. Now we shall cut the yarn and finish it using a needle. Like this. And now coming to the sleeves, I have finished the sleeves on one side. There are 7 shells with picots and the rest with single crochet stitches. We can also reduce the size of the sleeves according to the children. I'll show you how to make this sleeves. Here count 7 shells on top, and below that we shall start, that is 3.5 shells from top, and then tie a yarn like this, and we shall put single stitches continuously. And we can hide the thread at this point. We can also reduce the size. We shall put single crochet in each space. Like this. And come to the other side of the sleeves. So after we reach the space before the shell where we start the picot, we should put 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 from here, and then in the center space of the shell we shall put 2 double crochet and then 3 chains to make a picot, and again a double crochet in the same space and make a shell with picots, 4 double crochet with picots and 1 double crochet finally to make a shell. Again 2 chains and join the middle space with the slip stitch and again 2 chains, and then again in the center of the shell we make a shell with picots. The same set 4 double crochet with picots and then 1 double crochet. So finally we have made 7 shells with picots and the rest with slip stitches and finish the sleeves. Now coming to the neck, we'll start at this point, tie the thread together and we shall start here and make single crochet continuously in the zip space at the back of the dress. Single crochet in each chain. At this point we shall hide both the threads like this, that is keep inside and make the single crochet so that you can hide the threads. We are going to put single crochet continuously in this line throughout the neck and come back to the starting point. Till here I will finish it and show you how I make a hook. Make a loop for a button. So I am putting 5 chains and joining at the same point. Now we got a loop like this to hold the button which we are going to place at the other end. Again continue with single crochet throughout the neck. I'll finish the neck and come back to you. Here I have finished. Just join this point and now we are going to put reverse chain. See clearly how I do this. Reverse stitch. We come back to the previous stitch, pull the thread and a single crochet in each stitch like this. See clearly. Insert the hook in the next chain, reverse chain, and put a single crochet like this. It will be little tough in the beginning, and if you practice it will be very easy, and this is a very attractive stitch. Do not miss this. Reverse stitch finally in the neck portion and then attach a button like this. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.